So this is my daughter's house, and it's lunchtime, and I've come over to let her dogs out. So after the previous video where you saw Woody interacting with Jamie and us in the backyard, they've come inside because it was so hot. And now Jamie's sitting next to me. And I don't know if you can see Daisy over there. She's getting some water. And Woody's, I can't tell if that's pouting or, oh, here he comes. Oh, come sit. Wanna sit with mommy? Now he's just gonna sit with Jamie. Hi, Daisy. Who's that girl? Oh. Hey, Woody. It's Woody and Jamie together. And Daisy. Yeah, so Woody and Daisy's the lap boxer here, they don't really interact. And they'll smell one another, but they don't really play together. And Woody doesn't really seem to be bothered by her. She's not really interested in him. It's Woody and Jamie that are the little pals. Yep. What you doing here? What you doing, Daisy? So I think that these two little guys are just gonna chill on the couch here with me. Are you okay, Woody? Are you good? There you go. And Jamie will... Good boy, Woody. Lay down. Lay down, Jamie. Oh, good boy, Woody. Now you can see, now Jamie was on his back. So they kind of just like to play, like they smell each other and they like to mouth each other, and then they lick their tongues together. Get up for a second here. I realized why Jamie was rooting around, because I had my walking training bag on with the treats in it, so I think he could smell it and was rooting to get into him. Yes, I'm gonna come and sit down again.